Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you Blurams Omni Outdoor Camera. Let's go ahead and check the features one by one. Siren alarm, live and history view, human detection, multi-camera live view, family device sharing. You can share the device with your loved ones. And it has two-way audio, activity zones, remote monitoring. It is IP66 weatherproof, color night vision, motion tracking. That's the most important thing for me. Instant notification, and it is working with Alexa and Google Assistant. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we have inside. Here we have the camera right there. Here we have the box. It has the adapter, guidance stickers, and here is the user manual, and then USB-A to USB-C charging cable, still packed. Let's go ahead and check the camera. Here we have the LED lights, camera, and SD card plays, reset button, and here is the speaker area. We're gonna go ahead and install it on the wall from here. Antennas, you see, and the adapter. Here is the adapter cable. Let's complete the circuit. Since this is waterproof, it's not gonna get water in it. This one is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the second one. By the way, you can use this home security, package monitoring, garage protection, and yard surveillance. Alrighty, we have two of them ready. I'm gonna go ahead and install the application and add the cameras. Then we're gonna go ahead and test it during the daytime and nighttime. Let me go ahead and plug them in and see the first reaction. Let's go ahead and find the camera. Right now it is calibrating by itself. Right there, Omni Outdoor. It is saying reset. If you see red light, we can go ahead and continue. Right now it found it itself, both of them. Let's go ahead and connect the first one. Now it's connecting. 2 minutes.
Wi-Fi connection successful. Camera is trying to connect to the server.
Right now it is connected already.
Configuration is complete. Please wait for the camera online.
This is good. Let's continue. Garage maybe. And indoor, outdoor. And we can go ahead and start. And I will add one more. This one. Same thing. Omni Outdoor. Red light is flashing. Right now it is already seeing it. Let's continue with that. Then it's gonna ask you to put the password for the Wi-Fi. I already put that. Wait for a while.
Wi-Fi connection successful. Camera is trying to connect to the server. Configuration is complete. Please wait for the camera online.
And now it is asking me to record it to cloud or not. And allow notifications. Yes. Next. And outdoor. Start the experience. Let's see. I have two cameras ready. The first one. Two cameras ready. I'll turn off the sound. Here is two-way audio talk. Hello. Alright, let's try to use the PTZ option. Oh, check the quality. Alrighty, what about right side? Down, up. Let's check the other one. It's the same thing. We can check the PTZ. That's the limit. Here is down. Awesome. There is also a panorama. When you press on that, it's gonna do the panorama. Then you can directly go there, wherever you like. Now it's doing the panorama. Then we're gonna see the whole picture here. If I want to see the light, just press over here and it's going to come over there. And you can reset the PTZ right here. If you want, there is preset, you can do that. And here is library. You can check day by day. Here is our Me section, account, security center, face ID, language, clear cache. Let's try to check the settings right there. Device name, use, on, off. There is plan, family care, daily memories, image anomaly patrol, package detection. You can activate it. Pet detection, vehicle detection, smart voice reminder, emergency assistant, video storage, quality. You can make it high right there. And night vision. There's turn off night vision, IR night vision, intelligent color, forced night vision. And rotate image, device sharing, you can share it with your loved ones, status, microphone, time, watermark, motion tracking. Okay, that's very important, motion tracking. Okay, I'm gonna test this when I put it on the wall and see. See, it is following my movement. I just put them over there and now it's turning on. It is just calibrating. Now it's done. Let's go ahead and check it out on my iPad. The first camera and the second camera. At the same time, we can see both of the cameras live. Here is the first one. Here is the second one. That's me. Let's go ahead and check it out and get up and move. See, automatic detection. Right now it is tracking my motion. It is never missing, as you see right there. And we have the notification, motion detection. What about the other camera? Right there. You see, it is very clear. This is HD quality, and we can check it out, full HD. Let's go back and check two cameras. For the second one, let's go ahead and activate the motion tracking. Right now it is active. Let's see both of them. How about this side? They're just locking whatever the moving object is. It's just gonna continue tracking. I'm gonna show it to you during the nighttime and we can go ahead and compare it. Now it's a nighttime and I have the light on. Here is how we see. Let's go ahead and press on that and see. And I'm gonna turn off the light and see. Now it's completely dark. I can go ahead and turn on the lights right there. Let me move around and see the reaction. Okay, it is turning on the lights if it sees someone or object. How about here? This one is using this camera's light. Let me try to check the other one. Here. That one. I'm gonna turn on the night vision. Let's see. Night vision right there. And intelligent night vision. Color night vision. Let's see. Now it's active. Right there. I can go ahead and check it out on my iPad. You see, everything is very clear right there. Check this out. It is very clear. Alrighty. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because it has auto tracking option, night vision, and color night vision. As you see, it has two-way audio talk, and you can check all the history. You can record a video, take a picture. There's PTZ option right there. Hello, hello, right there. And the PTZ, also there is panoramic option. You can see both cameras live. Both of them are following my motion. That's awesome. You can share the device with your loved ones, and you can use Alexa and Google Home. That's why I can definitely suggest both of these products.